Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be reviewing the new Colossal Curl Bounce mascara by Maybelline. So Maybelline claims that this mascara will curl your lashes so naturally without using any eyelash curler. So obviously I had to try that out, because if you follow me here on YouTube channel, then you know that I don't curl my lashes. I hate, like I literally hate eyelash curlers. They destroy my lashes. It will break them and make them so thin, so I really avoid using them, and I also don't use false lashes. So you know, I'm very curious to try this one out. They also claim it will keep your lashes curl for 24 hours. Obviously I'm not going to be trying that out. I will not wear this mascara or any makeup for 24 hours, and also for this video I'm not going to be trying that out. I'm not paid to do this video. It is not sponsored, so no, I won't do that. But I will test out and see if this mascara actually curls the lashes as they claim. So this mascara is actually has actually a different design from all of the other mascaras from Maybelline. So I'll just show you what I mean. So these are some old designs of mascaras from Maybelline. See? And the new Colossal Curl Bounce looks like this. So it looks like a peel. I really like that they kept the whole design very simple, white with some yellow details. I found that super cute, super minimal. I really like. So let's see the wand. So it is like a normal medium wand, nothing special, and as you can see it has like a slight curve to it. Okay, so let's try this one out and see if it works. Oh, by the way, Maybelline, as you probably already know, it is a drugstore product. That means you will find it like everywhere, and it retails for €9.95, and I've got mine in a very black, and I believe it comes in black as well. Now if you ask me the difference between very black and black, I have no opinion on that one, because I don't see any difference. I really tried with other mascaras, you know, with a super black and plain black, whatever, and there was no difference at all, none. Anyway, okay, so let's try this one out and see how the lashes are getting, you know, the curve. I need a mirror. I have a mirror. Oh, here. I have a mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting from the roots, and I will pull up just like that. So let me zoom you in so that you guys can see a little bit better what I do. So like I said, I'm starting like really into the roots, and I'm dragging it up, like really getting in there. So this is one coat of this mascara. This is how it looks like. These are the lashes. Okay, so let's do now the bottom lashes. Okay, so here we have as well the bottom lashes with this new mascara from Maybelline. So now I will let that one dry and I will move to my other eye. And let's do this. So here we have both eyes with only one coat of mascara. So now I will move again to this eye and apply a second coat. So these are my lashes with 2 coats of the new mascara. Not bad. I mean, with 2 coats, the lashes look definitely a lot better. They are curly. I mean, they look really nice and get like a cat eye effect. To be honest, I get the same effect with other mascaras from Maybelline, not only with this one. The same effect I'm getting also with their normal Colossal that they have, which by the way it's this yellow one, or as well this one Sky High. And one of my favorite mascaras from them, it is definitely this one. This is Total Temptation. This is like my favorite and everyday mascara. This one is in brown. I like it, you know, to wear it on my morning makeup. But overall, I think it is a nice mascara. But like I said, if you have other mascaras from Maybelline, then stick to the others that you have. You don't have to go out and buy this one just in the hopes that you will get like super curly lashes. At least for me, as I said, it doesn't change anything when I compare to other mascaras from them. But if you're new to makeup and maybe you have like 1 or 2 mascaras and you want to try this one out, then by all means go and do it. Okay, so this is everything for today's video, for this review. Let me know in the comments below if you like my lashes, and if you already tried this mascara, please do let me know in the comments below. Let's talk about it. And if you like my video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!